is alive. Look down the hall. What do you see? Look around you. What do you see? The anomalous entities of the card. The monsters under your bed. Enter the perceptive world. Perspective. It's not real. The things and realities you fear. What about nightmares? You have both, don't you?
Perspective. Tape notice. Tape successfully resetting. Please wait a moment. Tape error. The following footage cannot be found. Resetting tape from point. Tape error. The footage of the tape cannot be found. Please reinsert the tape. The explanation. Time for therapy. The definition of perspective. Perspective is what we see within our vision from a certain point of view. It is the appearance of things relative to one another as determined by their distance from the viewer. We see everything within a linear plane and determines the appearance of an object. It is what we physically see. So, what is perspective and how can we use it positively to make our perspective on life better through therapeutic means? Can you think of any beautiful pieces of perspective? Rolling, calm skies, flowing rivers. Just picture it in your mind. See it. See your happy place. See these flowers? They are beautiful. They are blooming and springing to life. The colors of natural greens and soft yellows bounce out at you. Can you see the beauty? Perspective can help you see the beauty in the world. Perception is what you think you see. It's not necessarily real or not real. It can represent your mind or previous experiences that can change what you see through your eyes. Liminal space is how we occupy a threshold between objects, the relationship between both objects and meaning itself. It could also mean being in an intermediate state, phase or condition. It can be real and not real. It can be warped by the meanings which can in turn change what you see as reality or not. Like a dream, for example. Something that represents reality but not in a direct way. A liminal space. I guess you're dreaming now. Now that we know what perspective is, we can now explore how to use it within therapeutic means. Let's go further into the subject. Now we know what perspective is and how to use it through therapeutic means, you can now go on and take this advice. I hope that this session was useful to you, mind and body wise. See you in the next tape.